Hello, good morning, one and all, and have a nice day to everyone. So, coming to my channel, Jairam Infotech, and subscribe my channel and like my videos. So, from the last few days, I have been uploading videos on Python server side programming language, scripting language, and in this Python, I have discussed what are the list tuples and dictionary. In last class, I have discussed the dictionaries in Python. Now in this class I am discussed that what is date and time, how we use the date and time in Python. So let's start the session. So Python program can handle the date and time in several ways. Why? Because here converting between data formats is a common source for computer, and date and calendar modules help the track the date and time in Python. So what is meant by tick? So there is a ticks, that means what is meant by tick? These are the time intervals that involve floating point numbers and measures in unit of seconds. Particular instance in time are expressed in seconds, that is 12 a.m. That is the since this is one. And next one is the popular time module available in Python, which provide function for working with several times, and for converting between the representations, time returns the current time in ticks since 12 a.m. January 1st. That means we can get the by using this time method we can get the present time with the date along with the ticks by the calendar or the computer. Next we can we have a small example here. The import time, that is this is import time is an interface, and it is a collection of methods, or the number of operations are included in time method. That's why I am importing time first. Next I am writing a initializing the value ticks, that is ticks is equal to time dot time. Here I am calling the time method time dot time, and next printing the ticks onto the output screen. I want the number of ticks, how many ticks are happened for the time 12 a.m. January 1 1970. So as soon as I execute the program, I get the following result as 14,558,609.34375 ticks has been happened so far for the time given. So this is about the ticks in the time. Next one is the time tuple. So many of the Python time functions handle the time as a tuple of nine numbers. So Python time in the Python handle in 9 ways. First one is the 4-digit year, that means 2016, and the months. So how many months are there? 0 1 to 12. And next one is the days are there. How many days are there? 1 to 31. Hours are there 0 to 23. Minutes are there 0 to 59. Seconds are there 0 to 61. Days of the week 0 to 6. Days of a year 1 to 336. And daylight savings -1 minus 1 means library determines the DST. So this is something about the time. Suppose I want to find the what is the present time, we can get like this. Suppose consider the program import time. Here I am importing the time, and the printing the time dot local time. Here the local time represents the what is the present time. So here we have the different types of structure for the time. So tm underscore year attribute returns the time year value. Tm underscore monday represents the week value. Mday refers the day, and tm underscore hour returns the hour. Tm underscore minute returns the minute. Tm underscore second returns the second. And Wednesday wday returns the number of days in a week, and yday refers the number of days in a year, and is dst returns the library determines dst. So this is something about the this is about to time tuple. What is the time tuple? Next we are getting current time. How can we get the current time? Is there is any method to get the current time? Yes, we have a method that is called local time. So first consider the program. Here I am importing the time, import time, and then I have taken a local time as a variable and storing some value into it by initializing it to the time dot local time of time dot time. Here I am calling the local time. By using the local time we get the what is the present time. So next I am printing the local time onto the output screen. So the local time is the here the compiler prints the days and hours, minutes, seconds, weekdays, and year days. And next one is the DST. This is something about the get current time. By using the local time we get the current time. And getting formatted time, what is meant by you can format to any time as per your requirement, but a simple method to get time in a readable format, that is the ASC time method. So how can we use this method means consider the program. Here I have taken a package called import time. Here I have taken a package import time. Next I have taken a local time. I'm called the local time. Initialize the value that is equal to time dot ASC type. That means here I am here I am here I am initializing the variable. Here I am calling the variable called ASC time, and then calling the local time here. So by using the ASC time I can get, by using the ASC time we can get the local time. We can get the local time in a format way, in a defined way, in a structured way. That is the main aim of the method ASC time. So as soon as the value is stored into the local time, then I am printing the total time, printing the local time onto the output screen. This is something about the formatted time. By using the ASC time method we can get the time in a formatted manner. Next one is the getting calendar for a month. How can we get calendar? So we consider the program import calendar. Next I am initiating the value cal, that is calendar dot month of 2016 specifies the year, comma, and the seconds, and the number 2 specifies the month of the year, month in a year. And next one is the print function. Here I'm printing the calendar out of the output screen. Here you can get the February calendar for the second. February is the second month of 2016. Here you can clearly mention 2016 comma 2. That's why February calendar print 2016 calendar printed onto the output screen. So here with the time module, time and date in Python, we have the functions, different types of functions on time. By using the instance operator, that is dot operator, we can call the different types of method using the time. First one is the time dot alt zone. So this specify the this alt zone is the local DST time in second west of UTC if one is defined, that is negative, if local time east of USC. Next the time dot ASC time means accepts the time tuple and returns a readable 24 character string such as we can get the time in defined manner. Next one is the clock method. So this current returns the current CPU time as a floating point number of seconds. Next one is the C time. So the C time is difference the like ASC time, local time seconds, and without arguments like ASC time. This returns same as ASC time. Next one is the GM time. So accepts an instance expressed in seconds since the approach and returns with UTC time. Next one is the local time means expressed in seconds since the approach and returns a time tuple with local time. MK time is the accept an instance expressed as a time tuple in local time and returns a floating point value with instant expressed in seconds with approach. Next one is the sleep, suspends the calling thread for the second. Next one is the string f time, that means the accepts and express a time tuple in local time and returns a string. These are the some types of methods in the time, and other methods are there. So we can get what is the syntax of alt zone, how we use the in a program. So we can discuss these methods in detail in a program in next class. So please subscribe my channel Jairam Infotech and like my videos and share the videos to reach many viewers so that I can get the more views, and comment if you have any doubts. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day.